and today I'm going to make a banana apple walnut bread, and it's simple and healthy. So let's get into it. Time for the wet ingredients. So first, you need a fork and 3 bananas. I'm using well-ripe bananas, and you should also too. Taking a long time. Now we need to put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients bowl. Walnuts and apples. Now we need to mix all of them together. Stir slowly and do not overstir. Don't leave out the flour and the dry ingredients from the bottom. Do not forget to put the oil in the oven pan before you put the mixture in, because if you don't, the mixture would stick to the pan. And even it out like this, and you have to bake it for 70 minutes. So you have to cut it like thin, like this. So guys, now I'm going to take a bite out of it. The crispiest, right here, one. Good. Please try to bake this at home. Very delicious. Thank you for watching.